Hello and welcome to GadgetGuideUSA. Thanks for watching my multifunction clock and Spycam product review. As is the normal for Spycam reviews, I normally like to start off with an actual demo shot with the Spycam. I'm just holding the alarm clock / Spycam kind of like in a selfie position. So let's go ahead and get started with the product review.
Alright, now that you saw that demo, after watching myself, I realized that the video quality, so it's essentially a webcam. The sound quality was, as I imagine you'll hear, it wasn't great. There was that clicking, and so, you know, I definitely didn't enjoy that. It's not an expensive product, but let's go ahead and dive into the actual review. Here's the box. It tells you some of the stuff. It spits out videos in AVIs, videos in JPEG, power consumption. It's USB. It says data transfer interface, USB 1.1 or 2.0. It's definitely USB 1.1. I've tested the data flow, and it did not get anywhere near 480 megabits per second, not even close. So it's definitely USB 1.1. If you try to watch videos directly off of the USB, you'll have some issues, even worse issues with sound. You basically can't hear the sound at all. So it is USB 1.1. If you want to watch the videos, pull them off. Put them to your desktop or whatever, and then watch them from there. You'll get a lot better results. So now you'll see what was in the box, and so now that we're done with the box, inside the box we found, of course, the alarm clock, which actually is a good-looking alarm clock. So you know, I really did like that. To be perfectly honest, that would actually match my bedroom really well. Even though, like I said, the video and the audio wasn't great. It comes with this driver CD, and what that's for is this also doubles as an actual webcam. So you need the drivers. I couldn't get it to work. I mean, it recognized it as a hard drive when I plugged this in, but it wouldn't recognize it as a webcam until I installed these drivers. So I normally don't need a driver disc, but in this case you actually do. Then of course we had our power plug, and this is battery operated. So we'll go ahead and get more into it there. I'm going to go ahead and pull this pull that off. But as you can see, it basically charges through a micro USB port. It plugs into your standard wall plug. Imagine we all have that down. In addition, it comes with this data transfer cable that also serves as a charge cable. As you can see, it has two large batteries, so the battery life is amazingly long. I've ran it for over 5 hours as a clock. I've sat here, played with it with a video for a long time, and it hasn't died. And that's all in the original charge, so I don't know exactly how long it lasts. It claims over 24 hours. And with two of these big batteries, you know, I have no reason to doubt. It comes with your remote control, powered by your standard, I think it's a 2032 battery. 2025 battery, and that works right there. So as you can see, you plug your TF card in there, your SD card there, and then the USB data transfer cable there. We'll start by talking about the features of a clock. It actually has quite a few features. You can put in the name, the date. As you can see, it's the time. Or the temperature. It says it's 83 degrees in here. It's not quite 83 degrees in here. I will admit it's warm. It's probably about 76, so the temperature is a little bit off. But, you know, like I said, it really is a Spycam, and it just doubles as an alarm clock. And when you push the top, I guess a female chipmunk tells you what time it is whenever you push the top. If you hold this for 20 seconds, it actually gives you nature sounds. It starts with crickets, which is actually I find that hilarious more than relaxing, but let's go ahead and go on to the next one. And you have that generic water, bird, tweeting, whatever else. You can push it to pause it and reset it and everything like that. To just get out of that, you just press the mode button, you'll go back to the regular time. So there we go. It does not have an alarm function. It just has the clock, the nature sounds, and the thermometer. So you can also display it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and that conversion is not. Yeah, okay. So it's a little bit off. It's about 4 or 5 degrees off. Like I said, it is warm in my studio here, especially under the lights. I have a lot of lights going, and those things, they really bake like an easy bake oven. So now you have your remote control, and you see you have this power button there. You have take video. I have no clue what that button does. I only use this button to take video. Then you have snapshot button, and you have sound. If you just want to record sound, you click this button. Well, first off, you can see there's no lights on. You push this power button, And I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a blue light that comes on right there. It's very soft, and it's you can't see it very well, so as far as adding to the Spycam effect, I do like the fact that the blue light's kind of hard to see unless you're like looking down at it. So you push the power button and that blue light comes on. You push the video button one time, and you can see this blue light blink 3 times, and that means right now we're filming video. Push the video button again, and the blue light should come back on, and it's on right now. That means the video's over. You can push this button, and it blinks a single time to let you know that it's taking a still, and then you push this button on the remote, and it will begin recording audio. It does a little blinking system. Instead of blinking 3 times, it blinks 2 times to let you know it's sound. So it's really pretty easy to use. We'll go ahead and go over the instruction manual. The first few pages are in what I assume to be Chinese. So we scroll through that, and then you get to the English. It kind of gives you the basic directions. I mean, they're not horribly written. So it tells you how to set the time, set the date, what buttons you should press, how to expect, or what to expect, how to do the digital video. It tells you 640 by 480 at 30 frames per second, which is about right. And how to operate the video, pretty much what I just stepped through there on the remote. How to charge it. The thing about when you plug it into the computer, it's not going to connect right away. First, you have to turn it off and make sure that blue light is off. Then plug in the USB cord to your computer. Press power, and that blue light comes on. And then the second time you press power, instead of the blue light turning off, the blue light will start like blinking intermittently, and that means it's transferring data. So that's pretty much how you work the device. I don't want to give this a thumbs up just because the sound quality was so poor. But I really can't give it a thumbs down either because I really feel like it's a good looking clock. It has a lot of neat functions. The battery life is long. So, I mean, it does have a lot of uses. If you just wanted to use this as a nanny cam and it's going to catch the basic gist of whatever you saw. As you've seen the video and you've heard the sound yourself, so you're not going to be shooting any HD quality videos on it. It's not that great. But if you're just looking at this and you need a cheap solution, something that you can put in your house, to watch your nanny, or for whatever reason you want to, use a Spycam, please respect all local laws. Really it's a Spycam, and it just has a low resolution and, not great sound. So if you're looking for something cheap, just to serve as a cheap Spycam, you're happy with 640 by 480 and a little bit of crackling on the sound doesn't bother you, then this is definitely the choice for you. If you're looking for the best Spycam money can buy, this is definitely far from it. I hope you enjoyed my product review today. Comments are always welcome at the bottom of the page. Subscriptions are always appreciated. Thank you. And if you have any specific questions, comments, or suggestions, please email me at GadgetGuideUSA@gmail.com. Thank you for your time.